Digital technologies are radically transforming how we make and deliver products better, faster and cheaper. Pointing the UK's digital strengths towards our world-leading manufacturers can help them compete globally at pace. The Made Smarter Innovation Programme is investing £147 million to accelerate the development of game-changing digital manufacturing ideas. We are supporting and growing a digital innovation ecosystem and tackling the challenges our manufacturers face. Formulated products like drugs, foods and shampoos are complex, making it hard to predict how they will behave. Testing samples takes time and money, slowing the development of new products and processes. As part of the Made Smarter Innovation Programme, Process Systems Enterprise are developing digital process twin tools that predict the properties of complex formulations, speeding up the innovation cycle for new products and processes. Many UK manufacturers have factories or equipment in locations that are hard to connect. A cross-sector consortium has developed common data standards so all pieces of equipment can talk to each other, and an approach where UK manufacturers can find the right blend of technologies for their unique factory. Overcoming the barriers to merging operations technology and information technology is making UK manufacturing more resilient. Switching to continuous manufacturing can help our biopharm industry meet the increasing demand for drugs like vaccines. To do this, it will need to find new ways to monitor processes and ensure quality. Perceptive Engineering is creating a digital wrapper that puts all the data from the manufacturing process in one place, allowing model predictive control and prescriptive maintenance to automatically predict issues and make adjustments, ensuring the quality of every product. Keeping costs down often sees UK manufacturers using parts made overseas, giving them less control over their supply chain and a higher carbon footprint. Frog Bikes is proving that digital manufacturing techniques can create better parts at a competitive price, with UK suppliers avoiding overseas shipping and keeping high-skilled manufacturing jobs here in the UK. Machine learning and predictive maintenance can deliver major benefits for manufacturers such as improved quality, accuracy, precision and cost. The WeldZero project is doing this with one of the most common tasks in UK production lines, welding. Connecting data from robotic welding systems to cloud-based machine learning and predictive maintenance can deliver welding with zero defects on the shop floor, reducing waste, improving safety in industries where structural integrity is vital.
The Made Smarter programme is such an exciting opportunity for manufacturers in the UK to source, access and trial amazing technologies which will deliver fundamental change.
We're trying to create a movement within Made Smarter that's getting people behind manufacturing, excited about it. We are at a turning point for manufacturing globally. And I think we need to make sure that the UK is well positioned.
The Made Smarter programme provides access to amazing technologies, academia and some cool partners.
Join the manufacturing ecosystem, prove your idea, develop it with experts and scale it faster. Made Smarter Innovation. Faster, better or cheaper, digital doesn't have to choose.